passageway between not two houses but between two universes. Hey there! So, hope you're completely fine with pandemic situations not affected you and your family much. So, I try to keep this Mr. Mike as off the frame as possible, but it has got the habit of coming inside the frame, and I don't know what is the problem with it. My voice is coming quite baffled, if it is the right word. Like it is sounding like an old movie character or something, like an old voice recorder, which is not good for me. So, if it is not bearable at all and you are not able to understand any word, please let me know in the comment section. I'm really rushing. I'm sorry for that. But you only asked me to make the video as short as possible. So today we're going to talk about wormholes, the passageway between two universes. I just gave you a short description of it. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So, as you know that black holes are my favorite. If you stay tuned to this channel and if you're familiar with me, hey, I'm Shruti. I'm Shruti Singh. I'm your very person host for today. If in case you don't know me, I seriously give my description. I'm an author, if you don't know. Okay? And I'm a student of science. So, coming back to wormholes. Um, Wormholes are like a passageway between not two houses, but between two universes. Yes, something as vast as a universe. Something which connects us, our 5% known universe, to some other, maybe 100% known universe, to another world. We just know the 5% known universe. Beyond a black hole lies a wormhole, and beyond the wormhole lies a white hole. So, this is your house, which is a black hole. This is the door, which is a wormhole, and this is your friend's house, which is a white hole. So, the wormhole acts like a passageway or a tunnel through which you can travel from your house to your friend's house. Look, wormholes are not at all complex and they are hypothetical. Um, Something which is on paper but has not been seen. Okay? That's what wormholes are. You might be knowing that going from one place to another takes different time according to the distance of the place. For example, if your friend lives in the next door, it will take you less time to reach there. But if your friend lives in another colony, it will take you more time to reach there. And if your friend lives in another city, it might take hours for you to reach there. Likewise, the length of the wormhole decides how much it will travel from a black hole to a white hole to reach another universe. I always get confused between the words wormhole and white hole because they're very similar. Keeping that aside. So I hope you got my point here. We consider wormholes to be an ease to us. But you know that there might be life beyond the Earth, beyond the solar system, beyond the Milky Way, beyond the Andromeda, beyond the 5% known universe. It can be there in the unknown universe, which is beyond a wormhole, beyond a white hole. So it might not be an ease for us as humans, but also an ease for another species from another planet, from exoplanet or whatever we are not familiar with. So it might actually be a threat to us as well as a boon to us at the same time. But it can be a direct passageway, a direct elevator, a shorter distance, a shortcut for aliens to reach us if they exist, yeah. Possibilities, 50-50 probability. Yeah, I've already made a video on that, aliens. So it might be here, or here, or nowhere. So, yeah. So it might be an ease to us. It might be an ease to aliens also. So, but for us to pass through a wormhole, we have to be of a micron size. It is not possible until we have the small letters Orion, if you are familiar with some such cartoons. But We can sense small microorganisms which can detect the presence of life beyond the 5% known universe. And to let you know that if we get to know the familiar, if we get familiar with the composition of wormholes, we can create wormholes on the earth with familiar conditions around us. We cannot create a complete vacuum on the earth because of air resistance and friction and many other reasons. Likewise, if possible, and if we get to know the composition of wormhole, which is quite difficult for us to get because if we reach it, then what's the need of creating it here? So if we get familiar with that, we can create it on the earth under certain conditions. Like it is said that if we created a sound of 10,000 decibels on the earth, a black hole would be created. But if you created 10,000 sound decibels, the solar system would actually disappear because it might be too hard for the solar system to take. You know that space is completely vacuum and completely silent, right? You cannot even hear the, what would I say? I'm forgetting that word, that collide thing. If it is the right word, I'm not able to catch that word right now. You get me, right? That colliding of planets, the colliding of rocks, that colliding of planets that which are still in under creation right now, under construction. I was going to say under creation right now. You cannot even hear that. That's the magic of space. That's the magic of space. If we have not perceived black holes, white holes, and wormholes, then why are we here talking about it? Same question strikes many people. And before Stephen Hawking, hardly did even people know about black holes. And he discovered the Hawking radiations and the equation of a black hole, black body radiation, with the help of black body radiation theory. We got to know about black holes and we got to know about them from news, from here and there. Still, many people are unfamiliar with it. Though they know that there's something kind of a monster which can eat us and many different things. I don't know what not. I also used to think I don't know what not did I used to think it until I was familiar with this concept. Well, why are we here reading all this? So let me tell you that once upon a time, nobody thought that a click on the North Pole can have an effect on the South Pole. Yes, I'm talking about computers. You click on a single key and the entire uh, satellite drops and the entire satellite starts working and the entire system stops. We are now entirely dependent on this thing which is recording me, on this here lamp. Yes, technology. We are entirely dependent on technology, and once upon a time, nobody knew that there can be light other than the sun. So everything is possible. Once we reach that mark, we can do anything. We can even walk through or walk into a black hole or a wormhole. Nobody knows today. Maybe my eyes will be able to see it or not, but hopefully the coming generations, 4 to 5 generations after, probably will be able to see people traveling from one time to the other, people knowing about black holes, people going near a black hole. It is possible. You might be laughing right now, but interplanetary travel will start. It is predicted 50 to 75 years. So let's see. So this was all about wormholes. I can make a longer video if you want, but you only asked me to make a shorter video. So if you want a lengthy video or a more descriptive video, which contains more description, more in depth, you can ask me in the comment section. And if the comment section is not activated, as I said, that it is not me who is deactivating the comment section. No, it is YouTube which is doing it, and I don't know what to do with it. I complained, but nobody responded. It is a slow process, so If in case you're not able to comment, you can email me or you can DM me. You can find my email and DM in the about section of the Cosmos Wanderers. So yeah, this was pretty much all about it. Or any other topic you want to know about, you can tell me in the comment section. If not, on the DM. See you later. Have a nice day. If it is the start of the day and if it is the end of the day, have a nice night.